What should you be doing in these 10 days? Number one, fulfill that which is obligatory. So your prayers, 5 daily prayers, don't miss them, especially the farad. Another good thing to do during these 10 days, teach someone some good. Subhanallah. If you stay away from sin, seek a lot of forgiveness, and fulfill your obligations during these 10 days, wallahi, you have succeeded in a very great way. But you can do much more. Let's move on to something else. My brothers and sisters, we must try to be charitable during these days. Give out a little bit of charity, even if it is $1 or £1 or R1. And if you can, give out something every day. Try and read some Quran every day. Read a little bit. Set aside a portion of the day to read a page. Subhanallah. You're supposed to be engaging in the dhikr of Allah during these days as well.